Who are Greenlandic people genetically? Greenland is the world's largest island, roughly 3 times the size of Texas, with only 57,000 people, and nearly all of them descend from a tiny group, between 300 and 1,000 individuals. The average Greenlander carries about 75 to 85% Inuit ancestry and 15 to 25% European ancestry, mainly Danish. But how did this happen? Today's Inuit descend from the Thule people, who came from Siberia and settled in Alaska millennia ago. Around 800 years ago, they migrated east, crossing the Canadian Arctic on foot over sea ice and by kayak across open water. Fewer than 1,000 people founded the entire Greenlandic population. That's what we call a genetic bottleneck. Long before them, the Paleo-Eskimos, also from Siberia, lived there 4,000 years ago. But they disappeared, likely due to climate cooling, without leaving significant genetic traces. Between the 10th and 15th centuries, Norwegian Vikings had settled in the southwest, but they vanished around 1450, probably because of the Little Ice Age. They barely mixed with the Inuit, living in separate areas. Then in the 19th century, a second dramatic bottleneck. Epidemics reduced the population to just 2,000 to 3,000 people. This made Greenlandic genetic diversity even lower. The European admixture comes from the 18th century when Denmark colonized Greenland. Danes settled and started families with Inuit women. Result: about half the paternal lineages on the west coast trace to Danish ancestors, but maternal lineages remain overwhelmingly Inuit. Today, roughly 90% of the population is Inuit or mixed, and about 10% Danish. Genetically, Greenlanders form a unique group, a blend of Arctic and Northern European heritage. Follow for more about your genetic origins. I post daily videos on population genetics.